Okay, first set up this one. So I put the oil here, and then grab like this, put in here, here. Okay, and this could be the stay. So make it a screw. Make it tight. Okay, and the conveyor. So this is a location to put in stay. Okay, make it tight. Okay. Okay. Very smooth. Okay. Okay, this is the hopper base. Hopper base comes from the 3 parts, 4 parts actually. This every parts should be cannot be the mix. This so this one hopper base, so it has 4 parts. This one goes to top. This one, both two should be go behind it. Cannot be like this. Always has to be like this. Okay, and this goes here. Okay. Then back, stay location. It doesn't move. Then put in the hook. And propeller will be like this. Okay, pin, lock, and behind it, this hook has to be stay, and then this hole, this has to be go in. Okay, and then hopper will be come like this. Okay, and then turn on the electric. Oh, so this one when you it's simple. Just put in. If it fits fine. If it doesn't, prolong it. It will fit in. Okay, and then after everything set up, you should roll it sometimes to make sure everything works well. So once it's well, so this is the normal function. Okay, and then I put this meat for putting the hopper. This is almost like a half and a half meat, half vegetable, and we'll see how fit for the skin. I'm gonna tuning for that for you.